back in action. Oh, you know we back in the action, boys. So first off, I got a few messages before we start this video that actually have to do with you guys, so watch through this because you guys are about to get some free shit. First off, side note, I just want to say that I've been looking at comments on my Instagram lately and on my YouTube channel, and you guys kind of saying, hey, NameBran, you can't grow a beard to save your life, you pussy. So I just want to show you guys that I grew this out to prove you wrong. Yeah, check it out. Luscious locks all the way down from my chin to my ball fro. We about to braid the bitch. I just want to tell you guys in an inspirational matter that it took me 23 years to grow this, and you one day will be able to too. You know, it starts the ball sack and then you get a little bit of butt hair, and after that, just give it some time, the beard will grow, and I just wanted to say that. Off topic already. Next thing I wanted to say actually pertains to what I shouldn't have been saying there. I'm gonna try not to say fuck in this video because I've done some research, and you guys know that I struggle with getting monetized on my videos because I'm actually real, unlike a lot of other people. I've realized that when you say fuck in your videos, it actually takes out the demonetization. So I want to try not to say fuck in this video. It's gonna be kind of like a challenge that we could do together, and if anything slips out, here's the challenge, because I like games, especially pin the dick on the donkey. I think it's fun. The challenge is, you guys let me know down below by the end of this video how many times I said the F word, and you might win the giveaway that we're about to talk about. I just had a side thought, and then I rewatched that clip, and I just said the F word a lot of times. That sucks. Anyway, last point to the gift. Fuck! So, Jesus, I can't do it. Anyway, last thing is, whatever, you guys know we're already doing a mystery box video, whatever is in this box, if you guys give this video 2,000 likes by the end of the day, which is actually very possible, we've done it so many times, and only then I will be giving out whatever's in this box to one of you guys for free. So 2,000 likes would be dope. Also leave comments down below, it helps with views. I swear to God, if that's a fucking box logo in there, bro, I'm kicking myself in the nuts 5 times because I don't want to give that away, so we'll see. Anyway, I said fuck again, didn't I? Fuck! Hey, but of course y'all know the NameBran fam's real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. This is a video I wanted to bring to you guys because I feel like this is perfect, once again, for back to school and trying to spend less money so you can spend more money when you want to take a bitch out on a date and probably F her later. I said F that time. Sick. Anyway, boys, so we got a mystery box here from a buyer that I've actually bought from on eBay before, so I know it's trusted. Also, the good thing is it comes from Toronto, so it's like a lot less shipping for me, and this thing costs $100. Now, they actually had it on the eBay account or whatever as a Supreme mystery box back to school $100 thing, so that's dope. I thought we'd have to do it, especially when I thought, you know what, whatever I give away, I will give back to the boys. So without further ado, we got this goddamn box right here, boys. I covered my address this time so you guys don't send me bombs in the mail. But without further ado, no more time wasted, NameBran. I'm the mother of Dicky about to open up that box, you puss. I don't really have any clever ways. I think I'm just gonna take a knife to it. Fuck! I didn't mean to swear there. You try to use the boxes for the thumbnail and I don't want it to be cut, so in the thumbnail I can be like, oh, look what we got! Question mark, but it's cut, which means I have to Photoshop that out. Makes more work. Alright, boys. Box is open now. I love these videos. First off, I love them because I know viewers love them. I know that when I'm watching videos and it's a mystery box, my big thing is I love seeing the YouTubers' reaction. Because usually we're used to seeing like them unboxing sneakers they already know they're about to get, or Supreme they already know they're about to get. So the wow factor's there. Also for you guys too. So I got a question. What do y'all think it is? I'm super stoked. I'm gonna tell you the size right now. I feel like it's probably 2 T's. It feels a little bit bigger than 1 T. And I don't think it's probably like a crew neck or a hoodie because I think that's way over 100. Fuck! Oh! Sorry. Ah, damn it! I mean, this is still dope. Now I'm looking like a privileged bitch. I saw the red, and I'm like, that's one of the red box logo hoodies. It's not. It's one of these tonal ones that they call it. Anyway, that's pretty dope for $100. That's not that bad. If you guys remind me, I'll put a link down below. I've actually owned one of these in the past too that I've sold because I didn't like it. It just doesn't say Supreme enough on it. You know what I'm saying? That S could mean anything, like sex, or which would be dope actually, or serpent, which would also be dope. What's a bad one? Slavery. That can mean slavery. Nobody wants that shit. Anyway, we got this one right here. I'm actually kind of stoked about that. I had one of these, like I said in the past. I think I had the maroon one, and I sold it because I really didn't like it, like I said. So I actually don't mind giving this away. As y'all can see, we got the tonal. I think they're called the tonal logo, box logo right here for the back to school challenge. NameBran killed it once again. We got the S with the embroidery, and if you feel it like this, it feels like a slinky because the embroidery is like that, and it just feels kind of. honestly, I'm a little freaking stoned right now, so that might be why I'm actually feeling that a lot. I didn't really realize that. Anyway, one thing I do want to do, and I have gotten mystery box from this guy before, we always got to do the legit check, because if it's fake Supreme that he's sending out, I'm not going to link it down below, but you guys let me know once again and remind me to do that, because I always forget. This actually looks pretty good. This looks good. The one thing is, I don't know, there's like sizing and stuff like that you guys can check with Supreme. I just kind of know how to look at it, because I've bought a lot of fake stuff and real stuff in the past, and size is extra large. What if you moron. Okay. Wow, it's really hard not to say the F word. That's like the most courageous word I can say when I'm angry. You flipping you pussy! I don't think that's allowed on YouTube either. Anyway, I told him large, and he sent me an extra large. I wear larges in hoodies, and when you buy these mystery boxes, you put in your size, so you're an idiot for that, dude. But yeah, man, that's what we got today. We got the Supreme. I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad. You guys let me know how much this costs down below. I think I sold mine for like $140, and but that was with shipping, so I don't even know how much this actually cost, but generally it was Supreme hoodies that cost a lot more than $100. I'd say this is a win. I hope you guys have a great time with your back to school experience and get to bang any girl that you guys want to. I think that I'm just gonna get demonetized either way in this video, actually. I don't, maybe, now that I'm thinking about it, the way I talk is maybe why I get demonetized. Maybe not so much the F-bombs. Hey, this is why we love me, right? I don't know about that. That's why my mom actually despises me sometimes. Anyway, I should probably stop smoking things. You guys have a great back to school experience. I hope to give this out to one of you guys. All you guys gotta do is 1,500 thumbs up. You guys gotta leave a comment down below with the F-bomb count, and I did that strategically because if you guys actually count all the way through, then that means I get more watch time on this video and more money if it's not demonetized. And I feel like I've said F word like 10 times in this video, so it's probably gonna get demonetized. But yeah, man, you guys let me know if this was a win or not. If we don't get 1,500 likes, I might do an Instagram giveaway, or honestly, I like the red more than maroon, so I don't know, I might even keep it if it doesn't get like, no, we'll do an Instagram giveaway. Follow on Instagram in case it doesn't get 1,500 likes, and then we might give it away. But there it is, just a quick video for you guys today. I love mystery unboxings, and honestly, I think I would have been more stoked about this if I didn't think that it was a box logo to begin with, so that my attitude went from here, like really pumped, to here, which is really, I'm taking it for granted what I just got, which is not good to do. I'm pulling a Blake Linder right now. No, I'm sorry. Wow, we gotta stop. We pre-gaming right now as well. Anyway, you guys let me know what you think. NameBran fans, real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Instagram's right here. Hit the notification bell. I forgot to say that. If you guys ever want to win any giveaway, you should know to always hit the notification bell. We marking it. Blow. Still not at 10 minutes yet, and you guys know that NameBran is the realest cat on the internet, and I'm only doing this part right now to get a little bit more money if we can. And if you appreciate that, leave a comment down below. Now what we're gonna do for the next little bit is just finish my drink, and hopefully it takes about, I don't know, what are we at, probably like 3 minutes. That's gonna be hard. Selena. Oh yeah, Selena Gomez Sweat is what that tastes like, which is probably amazing. Oh, got a little pube in there. It was actually cat hair. Hold on, one more. Teats milk. From Selena, of course. I love that. What is my life, boys? Hey, either I lie to y'all and I just drag out a video, or I just drag it out doing bullshit and then we get 10 minutes, which puts more ads in the video and gets me more money. What do y'all prefer, realness or drag out time? You be the judge. Selena Gomez spit. Perfect. Okay, I got a little hint of Justin Bieber in there. Yeah, no, I didn't like that sip. That's a little ridiculous. Selena, I hope you've cleaned yourself since, what, 8 months ago and banging them? Come on now. Oh, no, I had to get through it. Now I'm tasting this soap after the cleaning of the V word. Toe fungus, which would be gross, but it's Selena Gomez's, so that's dope. Not mad at all at that one. Squirt. Alright, I'm out. Peace.